In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove recovery email from Yahoo account. If you've got an outdated recovery address or you no longer use it, cleaning it up helps keep your account secure and your recovery options up to date. Before we begin, a quick reminder. Removing a recovery email can affect how you get back into your account if you forget your password. So make sure you still have another verified way to recover your account, like a current phone number or a different email. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. Once the Yahoo homepage loads, look to the upper right corner and find the Sign In button. Click it. Follow the on-screen sign-in process by entering your Yahoo username and password. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to verify with a code. Complete any prompts and wait a moment for the sign-in to finish. After you're signed in, go again to the upper right corner and click your profile icon. From the small menu that appears, choose Manage Your Account. This will take you to your Yahoo account overview. Here, select the Security section. On the Security page, scroll down until you see the area that lists your recovery options. Look for additional emails and click it to open the management screen. You should now see any recovery emails linked to your account. Find the recovery email you want to remove and click the delete or trash can icon next to it. Yahoo will ask you to confirm. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the removal. You may be prompted to verify your identity again, which is normal for account changes. Once confirmed, the recovery email will be removed. To double-check, return to the security page and make sure the address no longer appears under additional emails. A few helpful tips as you wrap up. If you're using a shared or public computer, sign out when you're done. If you removed the wrong address by mistake, you can come back to the same additional emails area and add it again later. And if a change doesn't show up right away, give it a minute and refresh the page. That's it. Your recovery email has been removed from your Yahoo account. Keeping this section tidy ensures that only trusted current recovery methods are available, which strengthens your account security. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, consider checking your other security settings while you're already signed in.